Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be working on this layout to document these pictures of my kids. This was at the wrestling banquet for last season, and my son received an award, of course. And I was like, okay, it's time to take a picture. And I thought Adriana was the goofiest picture I've ever taken of her life. And I just loved it because her brother is so much taller. I don't know what made her think that she could put her arm around him, around his shoulders. So she's kind of like on her tippy toes, reaching out around his neck. And couldn't even put the soda down. I was like, Adriana, like, at the same time that I'm trying to tell her, put your soda down, I snapped a picture and I was like, this is so typical of her. Just being goofy and silly. We normally don't keep soda in the house, and they're only allowed to have it like if we're out, like on a special night or a party or like a celebration. So they take advantage of their soda when they're allowed to have it. And I don't know, it's just so funny to me how she wouldn't even put it down and was sipping on it while I took the picture. Uh, so it came out super adorable because, her priorities are on the soda. so, so anyways, this layout, you guys, super simple, and I feel like I'm always saying this. Using my scraps, I'm always doing that too. Like, I'm always like, these are my scraps from another project, but at least you guys know that when I tell you that I start a project by reaching for my scraps first, it's legit. So this is using scraps from the notebook that I created for my mother-in-law, that maybe you saw, maybe you haven't seen. I created a notebook for her for Mother's Day and added a few family pictures and had a lot of leftover, and that is what I'm using to create the background for these pictures. I kept this page very simple. There's, honestly, you guys, scraps of paper, stickers, and that's it. And actually, which I've said this before in other videos, but in case you're new and you don't, maybe haven't heard this idea just yet, I tend to fussy cut images of the paper that I'm using. Does that make sense? Or I fussy cut the images that are on background pages or scrapbook paper, and use that as ephemera if I don't necessarily want to go digging for my actual ephemera. So that's what I'm doing now, just fussy cutting a little bit of the flowers. I think I cut out like two, and I wanted to balance the pink to the left side of the page. So the easiest way for me to do that is just fussy cut single flowers and then just create like a little cluster for that picture. So that's gonna be it for this layout, you guys. This layout is called Good Times, and I just thought the title went perfect, again, to emphasize the soda drinking. And that is going to be it. So I'm gonna leave you guys here because there's nothing else to the layout. Thank you guys for watching. As usual, if you guys have any questions, or wanna ask me anything, I have no idea, just let me know in the comments below and I'll reply as soon as I can. And I hope you guys have a good week. We'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.